Hello viewers and subscribers of the 𝗧𝗘𝗦𝗃 YouTube channel. You are welcome to another episode of an amazing video. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing, unboxing and showing you how you can connect the K35 wireless mic. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So let's unbox this together. So this package was gotten from Jumia online store, and as at the time of making this video, it was gotten for 11,285 naira. That is $7. So let's check into what is inside. Yeah, this is the package. This is the package. So yeah, this is the wireless microphone. This is the microphone. It has a clip which can be used for clipping this to the cloth while creating video. So yeah, this is the microphone, and we have the second microphone just like the first one. So this is the second microphone with the power on button by the side here. So yeah, you can see this is the power on button, and it has a LED light here which will be blinking when it is on. I think this has a way of so yeah, I'm going to be checking the manual later. So yeah, this is the jack which will be inserted into the earpiece port. So this will serve as a receiver for the wireless microphone. So this is it. This is the receiver for the wireless microphone. And here we have the charger. We have the charger for charging this. So yeah, this is the charger which comes with the package, and the manual. So yeah, this is the manual which will be going through to know how this can be used. So let's check how this works. So this is the dual K35 wireless mic. It has two microphones and one jack. So yeah, and here inside this up here we have the charger for charging both the transmitter and the receiver. The microphone is the transmitter. This is the receiver at the middle, which will be inserted into the 3.5 meter jack of the smartphone. So yeah, this is the microphone. On the microphone here we have this clip. We have this clip which will be used in clipping the microphone to the cloth. And here we have the power on button. You can see we have the power on button which will be used for powering on this. And here is the light indicator to indicate once this is connected and once it is on. Now you can see the red and the green light cross flashing. That is to show that it is now on. And here we have the transmitter. This is the transmitter. The transmitter as well as the power on button and has the light indicator, and this is the TRRS where will be inserted into the 3.5 meter jack of the smartphone. So yeah, once to on this, you just have to long tap on the power on button. You have to hold for a little while, for like 3 seconds, for this to be power on. And as well as for this as well, you have to long tap on it for like 3 seconds for it to power on. So you can see the boat is now connected. So let's say this is not on. Let me off this. So let's say this is not power on. So you can see this is cross flashing as well. It is cross flashing the red and the green color. So once this is on, this will change. The color will be static. It will not be blinking again. So you can see now. So meaning this is now connected. So these are transmitter, these are receiver rather. This receiver, it has three mode. It has the card mode, the amplifier mode, and the phone camera mode. So currently it is on the card mode. You can see the blue, it is currently on blue. This is light blue, which is the card mode. Once pressed, it changes to green. This is the amplifier mode. So once pressed again, it changes to blue. You can see this is the deep blue. This is now the phone camera mode. So to use your transmitter, to use your K35 transmitter, make sure it is on blue. Make sure it is on deep blue, and make sure it is on. Make sure you put on this receiver before you import it into your 3.5 meter jack. So now I will be importing this, and I will be testing if it is working perfectly. So let's try this. So now this is imported now. So now this is the sound from the K35 wireless microphone. The former sound is the raw camera, is the raw microphone, is the smart thing microphone side. So you can see this is now the K35 microphone. And as well, like I mentioned earlier, in the package we have this in the package. We have the charger, which will be the Type-C charger, which will be used in charging these both the transmitter and the receiver. I don't really know how the sound is now. Do you think the sound really worth the price? Is this microphone really worth getting it at the cost of 11,285 naira? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. And if you think this video is helpful, please do work to like and subscribe on the YouTube channel for more helpful content like this. Thanks for watching.